Sabihin niya na, ginawa, noon, bata pa ako, lahat naman kami. Kung sabihin niya yan, no,
It can't be convicted.
walang
Yeah.
tapos ang istorya.
Yes.
Kung sabihin niya lahat naman kami, lahat naman talaga. So, hindi talagang in its totality lahat. Kung sinabi mo lahat kami, yung mga estudyante na yaman,
It was the times.
that was the vote. That was even the vote of the time. So, hindi pa masama na Kaya lang, hindi man niya sinabi. So, we elected the president na who was taking drugs. Maybe before and maybe now. Kaya siya lang ang makapasabi, totoo yun.